Hi everybody, here we are in Da Nang, Vietnam at the Holiday Beach Club. It's just, the hotel's across the street. It's not where we're staying, but they have a little section of beach here where you can get some beers and some snacks. We're just doing some beers right now, but yeah, it's a nice setting. It's a bit of a gloomy day. It's cold for here, about 70 Fahrenheit or about 20, 21 Celsius. But to me, it's not bad. I'm out here in the shorts and a t-shirt, so I'm feeling good.
This is our second time actually being in Da Nang. We came in 2015, and we decided to come back for the Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year's. We arrived at about 1 o'clock, 1:15 in the morning to our hotel. So yeah, we got delayed in Korea because there was snow. But yeah, that's all good. We're here in Da Nang. We're very happy. And yeah, we're just gonna go get something to eat right now. So here is our hotel. Hey everyone, so we're gonna go to Hoi An. We just, Kenny exercised in the morning, he jump roped. I just kind of slept in. I woke up around like 7. Then we ate breakfast at the hotel and we went for a walk.
We are in Hoi An. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a little touristy town. We mainly just came here today for lunch. There's a lot of shopping and bargains you can find here. But yeah, it's just a nice place to walk around. Yeah, we're just taking it easy, and it's a place that's close to Da Nang, so we just took a trip over here mainly to have lunch.
Came to this exact same place where we're sitting down right now. 2 years ago, we came like twice, I think, at that time, and we really loved it. So we came back again. We recognized it. Yeah, after this, we'll probably head back to Da Nang. I'm inside a convenience store that's right by our hotel, and this convenience store is amazing. They have cheese. Different types of cheese, rolled oats. It's quite amazing. I'll show you. This is quite live because where we live in a small town, and they don't carry most of the stuff unless we go like into Beijing. They have beers, a lot of ciders, mustard, Marmite, Vegemite, which I've never tasted. In Vietnam, there's no need to buy this type of coffee because Vietnamese coffee is the best. Let's see. Kenny and I had breakfast, then we went for our usual walk, at least our usual walk while on vacation. And then we got another coffee, and now we're at the beach. We're gonna enjoy the time. So we were at the beach, and after the beach, we just came back to the room, showered, freshened up, got ready, and we went to this really cool like seafood place, and yeah, we just ordered 2 fish and like a seafood rice platter and a vegetable dish. And after we just walked along the beach, went to the convenience store. We're gonna go get a brownie, but yeah, we just went to the convenience store and got some vanilla ice cream and some Chesapeake Pepperidge Farm cookies. See you tomorrow, Thursday. Hey everyone, so today is New Year's Eve, or for the Lunar New Year. So we're heading out to the beach. It's warm today, so yeah, maybe I'll vlog a little bit while at the beach. We last checked in. We just went to the beach. I didn't vlog because I was just like enjoying myself, and we're at this place called the K-Bop star lettuce, so you can wrap up your beef in it. I think this one is for the chicken dish that we ordered. This is like a spicy paste, soy and vinegar, onion and peppers, or garlic and peppers. These are bean sprouts. I love bean sprouts. Kimchi, tofu, and green onion, all of which are really delicious. So this is the beef dish. It's very good. Good morning. We woke up, we went to get breakfast, took a walk, and now Kenny is jump roping. He's been doing it for 2 years. Almost 2 years.
A year and a half.
A year and a half.
Remember I used to jog.
Oh yeah, he used to jog before. So he just finished jump roping. I only did like a total of 15 minutes. I don't exercise very frequently, even though I wear the... I don't exercise. I only exercise when I'm on summer vacation in the States. Then I'll go to the gym or go to like atomic boxing classes. Da Nang City by the Dragon Bridge. So yeah, we just came to like walk around, change the scenery, and then we're gonna go eat at a probably Vietnamese place or something. And we played frisbee. I crocheted at the beach. Yes, I crochet. And we're probably gonna go get a massage. I really love massages, so I'm hoping we can get one. Yesterday, after we played pool, we ended up going to eat. I ordered a pate, and we ordered a beef dish, which was really good and spicy, and a veggie dish. And yeah, that was it.